guys all right?
What city's your emergency at?
Parma Heights.
Stay on the line, please. I'm connecting.
Thank you. That was close. Yeah, hi. We're in Parma Heights right now at the Parkway and Stump, and an accident literally just happened right in front of me, and I got it on my dash cam.
Okay, where did this happen at?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Where did the accident happen?
Oh, Stump and Big Creek.
Happened on Stump or on Big Creek?
It happened on Stump Road, right at the intersection here. They were going north on Stump Road.
Any injuries?
It doesn't look like it. Both of the drivers are out right now and they're on their phones. I see them right now.
What kind of vehicles are involved?
It is a blue Chevy sedan and a dark blue Nissan Frontier truck.
Blue Chevy sedan.
Yeah.
And what's the other one?
It is a...
Have to call in.
Oh, that's probably what they're doing right now, right?
Go ahead. What's the other vehicle?
Oh, the other vehicle is a pickup truck. It is a Nissan Frontier.
Color?
Dark blue.
What color?
Dark blue.
Dark blue.